glitch flying motorcycle. Yeah, World of Warcraft.
I am.
This is how you do it. It's nothing special, but if you want to try it, just look at it, and it's kind of funny. But yeah, here, look. What you do is you just go over to this pillar, not this pillar, but this part of the block at the Nazi out temple or whatever, and you just kind of just drive up on it. Oh, I can't even get on it myself. Hold on. Bam. Oh, yeah. There we go. See? And then you fly for some reason. I don't understand why. Yeah. Ow. Yep. Don't do what you always do on the internet, people.